Mkbhd Wallpaper App. So I was just looking for this app, and here it is. Right now it's in the top charts of US App Store. It's called Panels Wallpapers, premium curated wallpapers. It's hard to find it if you just search for Mkbhd. It's not yet that's findable. Maybe here's oh yeah, all right. So here's one, and then here it is. No, that's even fake one. So it's not findable like that. So just be careful. The developer is not Mkbhd. It's a Panels Wallpaper Mobile App LLC. So that's what it is. And then you can see all of these screenshots. This is basically a wallpaper app. If you enjoy Mkbhd videos, he really does have some really cool wallpapers on his iPhone, really nice ones. And if you want to get these full resolution wallpapers, you can use this app. Welcome to Panels. Get amazing full resolution wallpapers for your smartphone and get inspired. Panels is the ultimate wallpaper app that transforms your device with hundreds of high quality full resolution art pieces for your smartphone. New wallpapers added weekly. By teaming up with top-tier digital artists, Panels delivers an exclusive visual journey, bringing the ingenuity of global artists directly to your screen. Our wallpapers cater to every taste and style, ensuring your device always reflects your personality. You will get hundreds of full-resolution wallpapers, massive library of stunning crystal-clear wallpapers. Ensure to work with your smartphone. Unlock unique wallpaper collections, frequent updates, easy navigation. We are more than just a regular app. We are here to make you want to stare at your phone to inspire and excite you instead of the mundane and boring stock images that come with your phone. Change that wallpaper, it doesn't hurt. So you can see the reviews are not that great yet. So I will get on that later, but first let's just dive into the app. So you go into the app, you can easily create your account with Apple ID, Google, and here I haven't upgraded yet. So here's what I see. I just see a lot of suggested wallpapers. There are some wallpapers which are kind of free. You can get wallpaper, but then to unlock full resolution you need to upgrade, and that's like a yearly subscription for $50 per year or monthly $12 per month. With Panels Plus, you get in no ads, full resolution, get early access to new wallpapers. All collections are unlocked. So you can just upgrade basically for $12 per month and get all of this. If you don't want that, then you just get wallpaper, and then you need to watch one ad to unlock standard definition. So let's just try it out. Let's see how many ads are here. So here's the first ad. And actually, because I already watched few ads before, then it's just one ad right now. So, and then it's just being downloaded to your camera roll. You see, yeah, it's not the best definition here. I don't know if it's enough for you or not. If you guess if you have like these Pro Max iPhones, iPhone 15, whatever, then probably it's not gonna be enough. I don't know. So that's just what you have here. And also to do a first download, you need to give access to your photos. So that's another thing. But then, it just says For You tab, and then there is library, where you can find all of the suggestions to purchase premium wallpapers. Then there is Explore tab. So basically, if you just wanna use this app to get Mkbhd wallpapers, you just tap on this tab, and here you see a scene on Mkbhd. And these are basically the top use case of this app. You just basically have access to all the Mkbhd wallpapers. And then, yeah, you just have some pretty cool ones here. There is some Dunes collection, which are pretty nice. And you can just get this collection just for $8. You don't need to pay for like $12. Then there are some cool wallpapers, but you need to basically watch ads, and then there are premium where you need to upgrade, again, by collection. Then there are these ones, for example, and then you can just watch one ad to unlock SD. So these are like the top wallpapers here. All other ones are created by other artists. You can go and follow these artists. You can see some featured artists. For example, here are some. You can go and get wallpaper. You can follow the artist, and then you will get more recommendations. And then you also have links to their Instagram, so you can get in touch, and that's what it is. Wallpaper of the week, collection of the week, and then upgrade to Panels Plus. So the app is quite simple. The design is quite simple, as you can see. But a lot of people, were expecting something super high quality, something groundbreaking from Mkbhd. And if you just go on Twitter right now, there is a full drama going on with this app. People were expecting some, like insane app, and also a lot of people, because Mkbhd is a famous tech YouTuber, he reviewed a lot of products quite harshly, and a lot of people are now pushing back because this app, honestly, it can be better. It's just this app has a lot of ads, a lot of privacy permissions and all of that. So now, like, if you just go on Twitter, you can just search for this app. It's like a lot of reactions, a lot of critique here. Immediately asks to track app activity, also tracks location, has terrible design and animations, has absolutely everywhere, $50 a year subscriptions. Wallpapers aren't even that good. That's what it is. Like, so that's what it is. Everyone is waiting in that. I'm not going to go into drama. So like YouTubers are supporting him, other like developers are trashing him. So you can just go and read all of it. But basically, here is the app. Yeah, it's true. It's very basic. If you don't like it, you can go to account and delete your account from here. You can also set up your privacy settings. You can change your profile picture. So basic stuff here. You can change your app icon. You can change the theme, system light, dark, but you can't upload your own wallpapers yet. So it's not kind of like a marketplace. It's just like a curated list of selected creators who upload their things here, but you kind of don't have access to upload yourself yet. So you can't earn money on it yet. It's just mostly like a visual app. But yeah, anyhow, that's how the app looks like. If you just, want to get wallpapers from Mkbhd videos, just go in here, and here's the tab. You can just get those. If you want, you can upgrade for $12 per month and get all of this, and then just downgrade, and that's it. So I guess that's the main thing why you can use this app, because all other wallpapers there aren't even that good. I would say there are a bunch of other wallpaper apps with 300,000 app reviews, and which are actually quite good. But yeah, here's the app. It's basic, but it's, if you just want to get Mkbhd wallpapers, you can just get them here. So yeah, there you have it.